Okay, in this quick video I'll explain how you can remove the taillights of a smart Roadster. These lights are all plastic, the lenses are plastic, the backings are plastic, and they are held in with one screw. Taking them out, remove that screw and push your assembly that way. One screw that's easy to break. I've already modified mine. If you would have them like all original, they're held in with this thing. So this is a, what is it, torx T20. I think it's the same as these. Well, not the same, but similar to these. The same heads maybe. Is it the same head even? No, these are 25s to remove the bumper all around. So these are T20. As you can see, I've replaced mine. This is a replacement. These clips can break. I had an apparently my car had an accident, but the previous owner had an accident on the rear, so that was all worked on, replaced, and it had a wood screw turned in there. So what I did is I removed this. Well, the clip wasn't there anymore, but then I did the same at the other side just to have them equal. So these are simple plastic clips with a screw inside that go over this lip. As you can see, I've melted in a brass insert. Normally that wouldn't be there because I've added that one, and that's what you can see there, that it's held in place with one of these. Apart from removing that screw, it's important, if you have it in place, it only, so you remove that one screw there and you have to push it that direction. It only comes out that direction. Don't try to force it any other way or these clips will just break. That's a locating pin that goes there in that hole. And the lights, you can simply, with a simple turn, you can take them out. They have rubber seals here. You can twist them to take them out. These are rubber seals. They can leak, and you can, especially here, this one seems fine. Here, for example, they can start showing like mold inside if you store it outside. There's also a common issue, I think. One of these lights can also be open to the elements. I think it's this one, the reverse light. You see that one is different from that one. Yeah, this one is completely closed. I can feel it, while this one is open. So often that's the one that lets moisture in. But you can always put some dielectric grease on these seals as well for them to seal better. But most importantly, just keep them clean. And then I see my light. This is and this should be an amber light. There is some amber left on it, but most of the amber is gone because the lenses are clear. That's how you get the orange light through a clear lens. I think these are original, but the only thing I did was modify that part. I'll clean these up a bit and then I'll put it back in. One very convenient thing is that apart from the color, this one being orange, they're all the same fitting, which is nice. You can take them off like this and then put them back in. I don't think they are directional, no. They have a dot there, but you can put the dot wherever you want. In case you need one of these lights, this is the type on them. Wait, I'll put it on the screen, but it's P21. To put them back on, this long straight up, that's the locating pin. And it should match this small slot. Wait. It should line up with this small slot. So this small up and that small up should align with this small slot, this small slot. Oh, this one doesn't have it, so the blinker is different. And then a small turn that way, well, that way, locks them in place. And then the complete light, so like this, and then push it that way and put that screw back in. So